In this video, you'll learn how to delete a page on Notion. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your workspace effectively. Let's get started with the necessary steps to complete this task. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage, which contains options to log in or sign up if you do not have an account yet. If prompted, sign into your Notion account by entering your credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your workspace. Here you can view all your pages and documents. It is essential to ensure you're on the correct workspace where the page you want to delete. Next, locate the page you wish to delete from your list of pages. Click on the page title to open it. Once the page opens, look for 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. These dots represent additional options. Click on the 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Move to Trash. This action will remove the page from your workspace and send it to the trash for potential recovery later. You should see a confirmation that the page has been moved to trash. To permanently delete the page, navigate to the left sidebar of your screen and click on Trash. This will show all the pages you have moved to trash. Locate the page you just moved and click on it to view its details. After confirming the page is in the trash, click on the blank space to ensure no other elements are selected. Then, click on the option labeled Last Edited By to find more actions related to the page. Continue by clicking on In, which will show you the location of the page within your workspace. Click on the specific page you want to delete permanently. This action will open the page again, allowing you to confirm your decision. Click on In once more to navigate back to the trash section. Ensure you click on a blank space to avoid any selection issues. Now, proceed to click on Delete from Trash to initiate the permanent deletion process. At this point, you will see a prompt asking, are you sure you want to delete this page from trash? This is a final confirmation step. Click on the confirmation message to proceed with deleting the page. Finally, click on Delete Page to complete the process. This action will permanently remove the page from your Notion account. Ensure that you have no further need for this page, as recovery will not be possible once deleted. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.